Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab One, and let me share with you how to set the screen time to the 30 minutes option or never. So let me start with opening the screen time options and checking whether we've got this option applied or not. So let's open the settings, and here in this left section scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down and localize the option screen timeout. And as you can see, in my case right now, we've got only 10 minutes option available, which is the longest time option here. However, we can extend it to 30 minutes or even never, which means that after choosing the never option, your device will never black out automatically. And to turn it on, we have to go to this left section, scroll all the way down to find About Tablet. Then scroll down again to localize software version and keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. After that, let's go to General Settings, scroll down and find Developer Options. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, almost at the top, we've got this option which is called Screen Timeout, shows options for 30 minutes or never. So all we have to do is to tap on the switcher here. Now we can go back and let's check it in the display options. Before we will do that, I would like to turn off the settings completely from the background apps, simply to refresh everything. So let's open the settings again. Here let's scroll and find the display, scroll down again and go to the timeout, screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got two additional options like 30 minutes or never, and obviously we can simply tap on it to set for example 30 minutes screen timeout or never, which I've said before, simply your device will never black out automatically. Alright, and obviously if you wish to turn it off, hide those options, you have to simply go back to the general settings, scroll to developer options and tap on the switcher, and those options will disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.